Why, hello there. Welcome to today's video, ink wash skull study. So, you know, ink wash drawing, paintbrush, ink brush, it's all the fuzz, right? So, recently I've started training in it, and you can find the post below on the attempt I had before. And today I would do a study with a skull, right? I just want to be better with this technique, right? So this is like still the first few attempts. I suck a lot with it, but the point is learning, right? And hopefully, if you are starting out as well, you can learn from my mistakes, right? Don't make my stupid mistakes by this stupid man, right? So let's get into it. So here is our model, Mr. Skull, with all his glory. The drawing angle is a bit different though. So here it is. So I've limited down to 3 values this time. So I got the light wash, the darker wash, and the darkest dark. So quickly I've blocked in the shape of the skull, which is a bit wrong already now looking at it. So the jaw is way too much to the left, which I didn't fix because I'm bad at drawing, right? So filled in the first shadow shapes with the light tone, and yeah, just blocking in the darker areas, and then started to explore the strength of the brush pen by brushing in darker tones, right, and trying to communicate textures on the area which light meets dark. Craig Mullin says this is where the best area to communicate texture, right? So second pass, a bit of a brush work here that I like. Try to like this piece of garbage I made. Second light pass, so I went on another pass with the light tones, which makes the area I want a little bit darker, right? So second pass on the light tones, and then finally filling in the darkest dark here and here, right, in these areas to really give that punch, right? So overall, not the best study ever, but that's the point of a study, right? So yeah, great archive for future me to look back on. I'm definitely gonna improve from this, right? And yeah, so pay attention on my um, uh, proportions and the shape as well, because it's wrong. You see the front line is actually here, and the whole jaw is here, right? And then also it's showing a little bit too much here, which I cheated and fixed with Photoshop, right? So move the jaw back to the front, aligning with this, then this looks weird, right? So this could take an hour just playing with the filters, but you get the idea. So hopefully you've enjoyed this ink brush study series. So yeah, hopefully you've learned something. Certainly I have. So already have the bang of my buck. And until next time, I will see you. Bye bye.